Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, a 50-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica, and on here we strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and the medicinal uses of plants that grow in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we upload a new video. So, Moringa oleifera, also known as the quote-unquote drumstick tree or quote-unquote miracle tree, is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and as a nutritional supplement. Now, over the last few years, it has gained attention for its potential benefits in weight loss. And so in this video, we're pretty much going to be sharing 8 benefits of Moringa for weight loss, 5 ways to consume Moringa for weight loss, 5 tips for effective weight loss with Moringa, where to buy it, and some precautions. So stick around for the next round. Moringa is a powerhouse of nutrients, and its leaves are rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds. It's also low in calories, making it an excellent supplement for anyone looking to improve their diet and manage their weight. It is known to enhance metabolic rates, which helps in burning more calories. This is largely due to the presence of B vitamins and polyphenols that stimulate metabolism. Moringa leaves are high in fiber, so they promote a feeling of fullness, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. Fiber slows down digestion, keeping you feeling fuller for longer periods of time. So essentially, you'll end up with your appetite being suppressed, and so you'll have a reduction in cravings. In order to build and maintain lean muscle mass, the body needs adequate protein. Moringa is a plant source of protein. This means that it will provide the body with the amino acids necessary for muscle development, which in turn increases metabolism. Moringa helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. Stable blood sugar levels prevent sudden spikes and drops that can lead to cravings and overeating. Certain compounds in moringa leaves, pods, and seeds help in the breakdown of fats and inhibit the formation of new fat cells. This can reduce overall body fat and prevent obesity. Chronic inflammation is often linked to weight gain and metabolic issues. Moringa has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation, promoting a healthier body weight. Moringa has detoxifying effects, which aids in helping remove toxins from the body. In doing so, the body becomes more efficient at metabolizing nutrients and burning fat. There are several ways to add moringa to your daily diet to harness its weight loss benefits. One of the most common forms of moringa supplementation is in powder form. It can be added to smoothies, juices, yogurt, or even water. The powder can be bought in bulk, and it tends to be less expensive in comparison to the capsules or oil. It's advisable to start with a small amount, such as half a teaspoon, and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. For those who prefer a more convenient option, moringa capsules containing the powder are available. These are easy to consume with water or juices. Capsules tend to be highly concentrated and so are oftentimes recommended by women, but it is very necessary to follow the recommended dosage on the packaging or consult with a healthcare professional about dosage. Moringa leaves can be steeped in hot water to make a nutritious tea. You can also make a decoction with moringa powder and consume it as a tea. Drinking moringa tea before meals can help curb appetite and improve digestion. Fresh moringa leaves can be added to salads, soups, or even stir fries. They have a slight bitter taste, similar to spinach, and they can be a nutritious addition to various dishes. Moringa oil can be used in cooking or as a dressing for salads. It is rich in healthy fats that support weight loss and overall health. While moringa can aid in weight loss, it should be a part of a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Physical activity is essential for weight loss. Incorporate both aerobic exercises and strength training to maximize results. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Moringa tea can contribute to your daily hydration needs. Even with healthy foods, portion control is important. Pay attention to serving sizes to avoid overeating. Like any weight loss strategy, consistency is key. Incorporate Moringa into your daily routine and stick with it for the best results. Moringa can be purchased from various sources, both online and in physical stores. Amazon offers a wide variety of Moringa products, including powders, capsules, and teas from different brands. To take a look at some of these products, please click on the links in the description below. Before incorporating Moringa into your diet, it's important to consider several precautions to ensure safe and effective use. While Moringa is generally considered safe for most people, there are some potential side effects and interactions to be aware of. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially for individuals with existing health conditions or those taking medications. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should seek medical advice before consuming Moringa, as its safety in these conditions has not been fully established. Moringa roots and bark can contain toxic substances and should generally be avoided. Stick to leaves, seeds, and pods, which are considered safer. Moringa has a high fiber content, which can affect digestion. Ensure you drink plenty of water to help your body process this fiber. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in the information provided. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.